diaphragm cell method. Sodium hydroxide is produced by the electrolysis of sodium chloride solution, that is called brine solution. Electrolysis means converting electrical energy into chemical energy. We need connecting wires, battery source, electrodes, electrolyte for the process of electrolysis. I will tell you now the actual process of production of sodium hydroxide by Nelson cell. As you seen in the picture, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to a graphite rod which acts as anode, the positive electrode. The negative terminal of the battery connected to steel mesh which acts as cathode, that is negative electrode. Anode and cathode are separated by a porous diaphragm made of polymer and metal oxide. Brine solution is poured into the anodic compartment where anode reaction takes place. Chlorine gas is produced and escaped out. The moment brine solution enters through diaphragm in the cathodic compartment, the cathode reaction takes place, hydrogen gas is liberated and escapes out. The remaining Na plus ions and OH minus ions, called sodium ions and OH minus ions, combine to form sodium hydroxide, which is collected at the bottom of the tank along with brine residue. After that, sodium hydroxide crystallizes out. This is the production of sodium hydroxide from brine solution by the process of electrolysis. Now you have seen the production of sodium hydroxide. I will explain about its uses. It can be used as cleaning process, as cleaning agent. As you know, the sodium hydroxide dissolves grease, oils, etc. Hence it is used as cleaning agent. And also it can be used in paper making. As you know, paper is made from wood pulp. Wood pulp is in brown color. Here sodium hydroxide is used as bleaching agent in the paper making. Sodium hydroxide is also used as food preparation, where cleaning of or chemical cleaning of vegetables and fruits, the sodium hydroxide is used. And it is also used as domestic purpose, such as cleaning of sink pipes which contains oils and greases or fat contents, etc. The sodium hydroxide is used. With this, I hope you can understand the production and uses of sodium hydroxide by Nelson cell process. Thank you.